會傑出貢獻獎2012得主係 Sunny Wong Dance School 校長及以培育新一代嘅舞蹈藝員為宗旨嘅專業舞蹈學校。Sunny Wong Dance School 校長及行政總監黃國榮先生同我哋分享一下得獎感受，有請 Sunny。Hello，
大家好。首先好多謝博士同埋大會頒呢個社會傑出貢獻獎俾我哋學校。我喺舞蹈界已經27年啦，一直咁不斷為香港舞蹈界注入好多不同嘅意念啦、元素，俾啲藝人同明星嘅。至到5年前咧，我發覺單咁樣原來係唔夠，要令到舞蹈界繼續健康更發展落去。人才有先兆重要，因此咧，我喺2007年創辦咗 Sunny Wong Dance School， 希望開始一個有系統嘅舞蹈教學課程，為年輕人建立一個成為全職舞蹈員嘅平台，而且為娛樂界注入更多嘅新力軍啦。時至今日，我相信 Sunny Wong Dance School 嘅成績已經略有小成，我亦都有唔少嘅畢業生進入咗呢個全職嘅舞蹈藝員嘅舞台上表演啦。而呢個獎咧，除咗對我嘅鼓勵之外，亦都肯定咗我同一班拍檔嘅理念。我藉此好感謝一班嘅兄弟姊妹，舞蹈界同我一齊努力咗嘅兄弟姊妹啦。當然亦都唔少得我幾位 Sunny Wong Dance School 嘅拍檔啦 ，Keva 啦、阿豪啦、Henry 同埋阿 D 嘅，多謝你哋啊！我哋希望藉住舞蹈教育年青人認識到生命嘅正面思想、堅毅同努力，呢份堅持嘅信念，令到更多年青人成為未來嘅社會棟樑。而呢一個獎嘅背後理念，正同我 Sunny Wong Dance School 嘅辦學宗旨不謀而合。再次多謝大會頒呢個獎俾我非常開心，可以令到我哋嘅舞蹈教育呢條路繼續堅持落去，更為更多年青人出一分力。多謝大家。
Southside's up in this bitch, yeah I smell like the boat. I used to sell dope, I did play the block, now I play on boats. In the south of France, baby, Sandro Pay, get a tan, I'm already black. Rich, I'm already that, gangster, get a gang. Hit a head in the hat, call that a riddle rap shit. Fuck the chit chat, the baker, I bake the bread. A barber, I cut your head, a marksman, I spray the lead. I blood clot, chop your leg. Not fuck with the kid, I get busy with the cig, I can where you live, you dig?